Welcome to Kinko's Refrigeration Repair. We service everything from refrigerators to freezers, wine coolers to ovens and many more. Free estimate and 1-year warranty. We are fully licensed and insured to serve residents and businesses in the West Palm Beach, Miami-Dade and Broward County area. Our technicians are highly trained and ready to fix any problem. We provide 24-hour emergency services. Call us now at 3057105289. We offered 10% discounts to first-time clients, senior citizens, military personnel. Free estimate and 1-year warranty.